Let's unbox my very first Chanel. I'm so excited. I have been needing a new going out evening time bag, and I've been eyeing this Chanel for a while. I went to the Chanel boutique in Orlando. I walked right in, I told them what I wanted, and I got it. I also knew that Chanel was hiking their prices, so I wanted to go in before they raised the price on this bag. This is a black caviar leather Chanel wallet on a chain. This is the chain unwrapped. It is very long on me since I am 5'3". I just went ahead and I double wrapped it to make it a little bit shorter to take it to dinner.